Hello everyone, welcome to Solosaurus. Today I'm going to show you how to transform this boring hoodie jacket into something more interesting. Let's get started. I found this poncho for my closet. I think it will be perfect for this jacket. I'm lining up the poncho in the jacket from the top down. Making a mark where to cut the poncho. For the zipper, we're gonna install later on. For both left side and the right side. I put it on the iron-on tape for where the cut will be. The tape will hold the material together after you cut it, especially for knitting materials. This is a double-sided tape. After we iron on the tape, and we can take the coating paper off later on for bonding two layers material together. Now we are making mark on the other side of the poncho. We're going to do the exact same thing as the other side. If you enjoy watching my videos, please give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. I truly appreciate it. After mark is ready, now we can cut off the poncho. After peel off the paper from the tape, now we can iron the edges. Now we can prepare for the sewing. Now it's ready to sew. First, we're going to sew around the collar and the end, and then the zipper. We are sewing both sides the zipper, basically connecting the jacket and the poncho together with the zipper. Now we're gonna fixate the jacket. We're gonna show off both sides and to the size of the poncho so they fit better. We are marking where to sew. And we mark it both sides, left side and the right side. After both sides complete, now we got our jacket. This is the back side of the jacket, and this is the front. I would like to thank everyone who watched my videos. You can check the link here for more sewing projects. I will see you all next time.